Hey squad, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Yuri Tochila, and let's get started. Today we are diving into mind mapping, what it is, where it's applied, and how to bring it to life with a real-world example. What is mind mapping? Mind mapping is a visual thinking technique used to organize information around a central idea. Instead of working with linear lists, we start with one main topic in the center and branch out into related ideas. Each branch can represent concepts, tasks, risks, dependencies. It reflects how our brain naturally works through associations rather than sequences. Where mind mapping is used. Mind mapping can be used across multiple project management processes. Let's look at a few examples. Collect requirements to capture and group stakeholder needs. Define scope to break down deliverables into components. Identify risks to explore potential threats and their causes. Plan communications to visualize stakeholders and information flow. It's often combined with techniques like brainstorming, affinity diagrams, decomposition. Let's take this into a real-world scenario. A project team is preparing to launch a new mobile application. We start with the central topic, new mobile app launch. From there, we create the main branches, requirements, stakeholders, timeline, risks, marketing strategy, testing and quality assurance. Now, let's expand them. For requirements, we define what the product must deliver. User login, payment integration, accessibility, push notifications. For stakeholders, we identify who is involved. Product owner, development team, marketing team, and users, investors. For the timeline, we outline key milestones. Beta testing in Q2, MVP release in Q3, final release in Q4. For risks, we highlight potential issues, App Store rejection, security vulnerabilities, budget overruns, delays in design approvals. For marketing strategy, we define how the product will be promoted. Social media advertising, influencer partnerships, App Store optimization, press kit preparation. For testing and quality assurance, we define how product quality will be validated. Device compatibility testing, usability testing, bug tracking system. Very quickly, the team gets a clear visual overview of the entire project. Instead of scattered discussions, everything is structured and connected. To summarize, mind mapping helps teams transform complex ideas into clear, structured, and connected views of the project. Alright, that's all for today. Don't miss out, hit like and subscribe. Stay awesome, and as always, peace.